Thanks for logging on to myfoxhurricane.com. So we've got two areas that we are watching. First one is an area in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. Then we also, way out here in the Atlantic, just off the coast of Africa, have another area that we're watching. That one really has a fairly high chance of developing, which is a little unusual this time of the year. You're not focusing so far out into the Atlantic, or not typically, but that's what we've got going on right now. You can see this area of convection there showing more and more signs of organization. There is some stronger wind shear and also some drier air sitting to the north of this. But for now, it is working its way through an area that all the conditions are conducive that it could see some more development over the next several days. So here you see that view of all the different computer models working their way towards the north and the northwest over the next several days. So the good news, regardless of any kind of development with this system, it will stay out over open waters. Now, the other area that we're watching is across the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. This is just an area of low pressure. It's very small right now, and conditions are just marginally conducive to see some sort of development. What's going to happen with this is going to be working its way to the north. We've got a strong subtropical jet stream just to the north of this frontal boundary in this area. So it will basically, it's going to merge with this front and get picked up into that subtropical jet stream as we head through about the middle of the week. So if we're going to see anything happen with this, it really needs to happen probably a little bit sooner. And then as it works its way up into these very strong winds, conditions would obviously not be very conducive to see any sort of development with that system. So watch the Fox model as we go through the next several days. There you see it working its way to the north, getting caught up into that front and all, just a large area of non-tropical weather. So really it's just going to tend to add in a lot more moisture that it's going to be sliding across the northern Gulf Coast as we head through the middle and the second half of the week. And then you're also seeing that other area starting to work its way a bit further to the north, but you're seeing more signs of development with that as we head towards the middle and the second half of the week. So we're going to watch both of these areas, and we'll keep you updated right here on myfoxhurricane.com.